Hello everyone, my name is Vandana Sharma and I have started this new YouTube channel of mine in order to bring some true real life success stories in front of you. I feel that we all need motivation and inspiration, and there are many good examples in our surroundings which can actually be our role model rather than having the stars, the film stars. We can have role model, real life role models in our life who can actually bring the difference in our lives. So this is a small effort in order to actually appreciate those personalities, the efforts which they put regardless of their age, their incapability, the natural obstructions, and then they come out as achiever, the winner. And I wish that you all will be supporting this act of mine, because this is just a small simple effort to actually bring the smile on the faces who have put in their ages in order to bring changes in others' life. And I feel that at least they need some kind of appreciation and motivation, because sometimes the normal TV channels or other medias, they do not cover up, and a common man actually gets indulged and the entire life how they spend. They first they put their effort in studying a lot, and then becoming person who actually goes there, get a salary job, and then come down home, and then getting married, and then actually raising up the children, and then the entire life goes like this. But then during this entire era, the lifespan of a common man, there are certain personalities who bring difference in the society. So my idea is to bring such stories which I see, I get to know, because I'm a very talkative person, and many times I make friends, when I go outside, and then when I come to know that, oh yes, this was your struggle, oh wow, so this is how you proved yourself in this life. So I feel that these things एक्चुअली मीन्स अ लॉट. एंड ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, ये छोटी छोटी बातें, ये छोटे छोटे सक्सेस स्टोरीज़, ये छोटी छोटी मोटिवेशनल चीज़ें, दूसरे को देख के आगे बढ़ने की ललक, ये हम सबको कहीं ना कहीं से सीख देते हुए हमारी लाइफ में भी चेंजेस लेकर आती है. और कहीं ना कहीं हमें भी ये सीख मिलती है कि येस, इफ़ वी हैव गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ बीइंग ह्यूमन, देन व्हाट एडिशनल थिंग्स वी आर ब्रिंगिंग एंड कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू द सोसाइटी. So I have not done anything different till date, so I thought that this could be a good platform through which I can bring some changes, and I can bring smile on other faces. So I request you all to support this act of mine, to support this YouTube channel, like it, subscribe it, and almost every day I will make an effort to upload a video, a success story of some females and males, and then how they are actually coming out as winner. So hope you all will be enjoying this journey through this YouTube channel with me. Thank you all. Bye. Take care.